So your Ultimate Soldier 1/18th scale aircraft has thrown a prop blade, and you need to get it off to repair that blade, recast one. So you got to take the aircraft apart. They're not that bad. Everything is fairly flexible as far as the plastic. You're going to snap it if you go way too far, but normally not. To separate the wing and the fuselage, you have to get access to these screws. You can see the holes in the side of the fuselage all the way up to the vertical stabilizer. To do that, you have to remove these plugs. You can take a drill or a Dremel, 1/8 inch bit, hold that baby steady so it doesn't wander, and start to drill these out. They're held by just one drop of glue, and typically once there's a little bit of resistance on the bit, it'll come right out. Now to replace them, you can fill the hole, you can reverse the hole, or you can just cast some new ones or cut off dowel sticks and reinstall. The wings come off fairly easy. You just loosen these two outer screws and they'll pull off. The wing stubs at the wing root, to get those, there's a few fasteners that have to come out, but there's tabs, and you can see those right here. Those you just pry gently, and once you get it pried up at an angle, the actual wing root itself, there's a tab in the front that has an L bracket on it. It's kind of hard to see, but you push down with your thumb to release that bracket, and then you also push down in the center of that L bracket and pull out. That's the most difficult part of this disassembly. To get the prop off, you just pry the cowl apart until that round tab comes off. Now, I haven't gotten as far as getting this tab off. I think it's just a friction fit. But this whole spinner assembly is made of rubber, so it's quite flexible. And to separate the rear of the hub from the front, you just start to push with your thumb, and there's a tab in there that will separate. If you need any help doing that, you can insert a flat tip screwdriver in a rub around the prop axle shaft, and that'll help get it off of there so you can create your new blade. So that's it for the 1/18th scale. I don't go any smaller than that on the airplanes. But it'll work the same on the Corsair, the P-40, P-38. They're all assembled the same. All right, thanks.